Assalamu alaikum and hello to all of my YouTube family. I am back after a very long time. I hope you all are in the best of health, wealth, peace, and prosperity. I am back after a very long break, and I'm very apologetic to all of you for having this much long break. So I'm back with a video, and the video is about renewing the old heels that are very expensive and that were so comfortable to my feet. And this certainly doesn't happen with every girl, but I really know so many of the girls who cannot adjust shoes comfortably to their feet, and there are really specific kind of shoes, specific kind of brands that can have the shoes which stay comfortable to their feet. So I was like so much liking about this heel was the height. So the height of this one heel was like around 4.5 inches. It's really hard to find 4+ inches of heels that are comfortable to my feet, because if I find some heels that are 4+ inches, then they won't be comfortable. They either will be the pencil heels and that are too difficult for me to carry, or they will have some structure over on the top that can be so much itchy over to the top skin of my feet, and the constant itchiness starts creating sores and marks on my feet, which I really don't want. So recently I had already bought a heel. It was like 4 inches and like it was very expensive, and but I bought it. But initially it was not affecting the comfort on my feet, but when I was wearing for a long time, for like 1 hour 2 hours, it started creating so many bruises, marks on my skin. And so I became like I thought of saving these heels. It was expensive, it was comfortable, it was high heels, and that's rare for me to find a comfortable and high heels. So what I did was that, because it was old, it was becoming weaker. So first I sent it to the cobbler to fix the structure of this, to strengthen the structure of this heel. So what he did was he had like hammered so many nails into the backbone structure of these heels, and so it became very stronger. And after that, the inner side lining of the leather was also being ripped off, but the structure was still really tightened, and it was now able to be used very easily and able to be carried without any worry. So now what I did was that I collected some rhinestones and I had pasted over them, and this enhanced its look as well as just hidden the leather breaks. It had the frontal cover on the shoes did not had any leather break, and it so but still I did cover the frontal leather with the rhinestones and pearls as well. So this video is all about this. Like I just pasted the rhinestones over on the old heels. First got it be fixed by the cobbler into a very tightened structure, into a very firm and strong structure where it can be reused again, and the final look of this heel will look like it's expensive. Of course the heel was really expensive when it was bought, and now it will fit. If I'll buy this much high-rate heels with this much quality, it will be expensive, but embellishing it with the rhinestones increases its value. So here I'm using 8,000 glue and a lot of rhinestones, and if you want to do it, you can just choose the color of the rhinestones according to your own choice. So this was this video, so it covers any leather fabric breaks it has, and it recovers the structure and the inner sole. Already the cobbler had placed one, but I was not very satisfied with that, so I'm gonna have the inner sole again be pasted over with the cobbler, and that's all. It's going to become like a final look over here. I hope you like me sharing a glimpse of activity I did recently with you all. If you like the video, please hit on the like button, subscribe button, and if you feel like you can share it with your friends. And I will be posting on my YouTube channel about so many other DIYs related to academics, some things about AI, some things about DIYs, and some more things about my daily life. So stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with another video. Till then, take a lot care of yourself and your support and love will be what I'll need to continue. Thank you so much. Bye bye.